Mix olive oil with Vaseline and prepare to be shocked. This simple trick hides a secret that no expensive cream will ever tell you. Once you see the effects on your skin, you'll want to use it every single day. To start, grab a medium-sized bowl and add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline, followed by 1 tablespoon of vinegar. It might sound unusual at first, but the natural acids in vinegar are excellent for balancing your skin's pH levels. Next, pour in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. It's like liquid gold, packed with antioxidant vitamins A and E to deeply nourish the skin. To take this formula to the next level, squeeze in the juice of 1 fresh lime. The vitamin C helps boost collagen and firmness, while the natural citric acid acts as a gentle exfoliator to reveal a brighter complexion. By the way, comment below with your city. I'd love to see where everyone is tuning in from. Now let's blend it all together perfectly. Set your bowl over a saucepan with water on low heat to create a gentle double boiler. Stir slowly as it warms. This melts the Vaseline and activates the full potential of the mixture. Leave a yes in the comments if you're going to try this at home. Once it's fully blended and smooth, remove it from the heat and let it cool for just a minute. Pour it into a small, clean container and pop it into the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. This helps it solidify into a rich, creamy, spreadable texture. The absolute best time to apply your homemade cream is at night right before bed. While you sleep, your skin will absorb all the nutrients. Target those rough, dry areas like your elbows, knees, and heels. The Vaseline locks in the moisture, the olive oil deeply restores, and the lime juice brightens. You'll wake up to softer, smoother skin with a natural radiate glow. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. Hit that like button and share this with someone who loves a little skin magic. Apply this rich cream right before bed to target your driest spots, like elbows, knees, and cracked heels. While you rest, the Vaseline locks in deep hydration. The olive oil repairs, and the lime juice brightens. You will literally wake up to a soft, radiant, natural glow. If you're ready for smooth skin, rate this tip from 0 to 10. Save this video for later, and share it with a friend who loves easy beauty hacks. Massage this into your elbows, knees, or heels before sleep, and let the ingredients do the heavy lifting overnight. It's the ultimate hack for glowing, baby-soft skin, without the high price tag. Try it for a few days, and see the difference for yourself. Don't forget to smash that like button, drop your results in the comments, and follow for more daily home tips. For the best results, make this part of your nightly routine. Apply a small amount to any dry or rough areas. Overnight, your skin absorbs the powerful nutrients, leaving it deeply nourished and visibly smoother by morning. It's simple, effective skincare made right at home. Rate this DIY from 0 to 10 below, and share the magic with someone who deserves a little self-care today. Smooth this blend onto your knees, elbows, and heels before bed to wake up with incredibly soft skin. The natural synergy of these ingredients brings back a healthy, youthful radiance in just a few days. Have you ever tried a DIY cream like this before? Let me know in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, and hit share to spread the secret.